So I sold my house. The house is sold. OMG. My house is sold. Okay, so yeah, I sold my house. It is weird. I've done the final walkthrough. I'm going through the closing today, and that's it, an end of an era. What does this mean moving forward? Well, it means I'm semi-full-time, because there's also another thing I forgot to tell you about. I lost my job. I lost my job. I lost my job. So I'm starting a new series. It's called Semi-Full-Time, and what I'm going to do there is share the experience about selling this house, what happened to get here, losing the job, and being open and honest with you as much as I can. It'll be an interesting series. It'll start on Thursdays, so make sure you check it out here on the RVJedeye channel. Every Monday though, regular videos talking about travel and cooking and everything else that I like to do in the RV. But this new series, Semi-Full-Time, yeah, it's all about the transition from sticks and bricks to semi-full-time to looking for a job. I hope you stay and watch it. Thanks.